Hello kiddos. Right now I am sitting outside my room because my roommate is having a meeting and this is the place with the best lighting. So this video is kind of weird. So today's video is me trying to get my life back together. The last couple weeks have been kind of rough and weird. Everything has been everywhere and I've not been very happy with myself. So I wrote a list just before pulling out my phone. And I'm gonna put that on the screen somewhere over here. But basically, this is the list of stuff we're gonna do today. Right now, I have about 10 things. 10 is kind of like a round number. It just makes me happy, you know, having a round number. The first thing is to clean my room, which right now looks very scary. It's kind of like a pigsty. I'm gonna insert a clip right now. But my room is really messy, and cleaning my room makes me feel like I can kind of piece everything back together, like there's hope. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, you guys, I actually just finished cleaning my room. It's really clean. But now I'm gonna head shopping because that was the second thing on my list, and it's actually almost 4 o'clock. Hi guys, I just got to Marshall's. This is the row with like the least amount of people who can see me talking to my phone. So that's why I'm in this lane with, I don't know what these are. See you guys. Hi guys, so it's about 1:30 the next day, and I know yesterday I kind of just disappeared for like a solid like 6 hours. So here's the quick rundown. So I went to Marshall's. You all saw me. This is a heavy phone where I'm just out of shape. The kind of stuff I wanted is not the kind of stuff I would have found in Marshall's, but I like didn't research properly before I did that, so I went straight to Marshall's. So I got really mad at myself, and then I had like a mini breakdown in the middle of Marshall's. I'll insert like a clip here, but like I basically called my friend, my best friend from home, and I basically cried. I was like sitting in the middle of Marshall's and like crying my eyes out because I don't know, that's the kind of emotions we're dealing with these days. So I had dinner and then I fell asleep. So I didn't get anything else done that day. And to be honest, I was really contemplating just like not continuing with this like whole video idea of getting my life together, because obviously I didn't. But I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be real and I'm gonna be honest. So now I'm gonna continue with my list of errands and see if I can still continue to get my life together, because nobody said this had to be a one-day thing. One of the things on the list was to plan for today, which I've already done. So I'm gonna go do laundry right now. While I'm doing laundry, at the same time, I'm gonna be doing some homework. Also, my hair is looking so cute today. I'll see you guys. Hey, oh my gosh. I just got to the laundry room. Okay, I just got back from the laundry room. I'm so out of breath. And I managed to do everything else on my list except for 2 things, which is my chem and my 5 pages of creative writing. So I need to tackle those this evening during study hall, because I have church in about like 2 hours or an hour or so. We're getting close to getting my life together. It's making me really happy because I genuinely thought like it wouldn't happen, but it is happening. Hey kiddos, what's up? How you doing? Thank you guys for getting to the end of this video. It means the world to me that you watched it. It was like a pretty hard video to get through. It was a vulnerable video. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna show not just me being happy, which I feel like I do show most of the time, it's just me happy, but also just show like me being sad and me like struggling, because I do struggle. Yesterday was the ending of senior fall, and I thought it was fitting that I filmed it after the term ended, just to show like there is life after senior fall. Senior fall is hella hard, but there's life after senior fall. There's life after college. There's life after anything you think is like very terrible, because yeah, it does feel very terrible at the time, but there's life after that. So yeah, I just yeah. Yeah, I'm not making any sense. I'm not even saying words anymore. So I'm gonna end the video here. I don't want to draw it on too long. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. If you like my face and you like the content, you can subscribe down below. It's a big red button. You cannot miss it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.